Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's Mac Mini has always been the go-to choice for those who want powerhouse performance in a compact desktop form. And now, with rumors swirling about the upcoming Mac Mini M5, excitement is reaching new heights. From a faster M5 chip and Thunderbolt 5 connectivity to major AI-focused enhancements, the next generation of this tiny but mighty machine could be Apple's most capable Mac Mini yet. Today, we're diving deep into every leak, rumor, and credible report about its specs. Top 10 features, possible release date, and pricing so you'll know exactly what to expect before it hits the shelves. Chip and product lineup, Apple's M5. Chip is reportedly in development and expected to launch across multiple devices, including the Mac Mini. Later in 2025 or early 2026, internal code identifiers suggest both M5 and M5 Pro versions of the Mac Mini are being tested, for example. Codenamed J873s for the Pro. Production of M5 chips is said to be underway. Specs and performance leaked: M5 base CPU 10-core 6 efficiency plus 4 performance GPU 12-core. Up from M4's 10-core 25% performance boost over M4. Series rumored Thunderbolt 5 support up to 120 GBs. Major upgrade over M4's Thunderbolt 4.5 Pro CPU 16-core for efficiency plus 12 performance. GPU 22-core up from M4 Pro's 20-core, similar 25%. Uplift over M4 Pro. Additional potential upgrades: advanced neural engine and AI-enhanced hardware, possibly supported by more efficient chip processes 3 nanometers plus or early 2 nanometers. For improved AI tasks and power efficiency, potential logic board redesigns for better thermal management. Release date expectations: late 2025. October-November is the most frequently cited target window. Some sources suggest a quiet launch in early 2026 February. March is also possible. Some skepticism remains that the Mac Mini M5 may not appear until 2026, depending on product prioritization. Pricing estimates: base M5 Mac Mini expected to start at $599, matching the current M4 base model. M5 Pro Mac Mini expected to start at $1,399. In line with the M4 Pro pricing, design and other features: no major external redesign anticipated. Apple likely to retain the modern chassis introduced with the 2024 M4 models. Enhanced internal performance, connectivity, Thunderbolt 5, and AI capabilities are the primary focus areas. Top 10 rumored features of Mac Mini M5 feature. Description: 1. M5 and M5 Pro chips, base and Pro silicon with more CPU GPU cores. 2. 25% performance gains, significant uplift over M4 models. 3. Thunderbolt 5 up to 120 gigabits per second. Data throughput. 4. Enhanced GPU core count: 12 base, 22 Pro cores. 5. Efficient chip fabrication: advanced 3 nanometers or 2 nanometers process node. 6. Strong AI neural engine, better support for AI tasks and Mac OS features. 7. Improved thermal design, redesigned logic board for better heat handling. 8. Consistent pricing: base at $599 and Pro at $1,399.90. Continued compact
design.
Same sleek 2024 chassis. 10. Potential early 2026. Rollout rumored launch window spans late 2025 to early 2026. Chips: M5 10-core CPU, 12-core GPU, and M5 Pro 16-core CPU. 22-core GPU performance, around 25% faster than M4 generation connectivity. Thunderbolt 5 support, huge boost for Pro users. Pricing: expected to mirror current base and Pro pricing, $599, $1,399 release window, likely late 2025. With a possible early 2026 release design. No visible changes, focus is on internal upgrades and efficiency. Wait if you want cutting-edge performance, AI-ready hardware, and top-tier connectivity in a compact desktop. By now, if you need a Mac Mini, immediately M4 models remain. It's highly capable and may drop in price once the M5 models are released. And that wraps up everything we know so far about the Mac Mini M5, from leaked specs and features to potential pricing and launch dates. While Apple is keeping things under wraps for now, the upgrades in performance, AI capabilities, connectivity could make this a huge leap forward for compact desktop computing. As always, take the rumors with a grain of salt, but if these reports prove accurate, the M5 Mac Mini might just be worth the wait. Stay tuned, because as soon as new details emerge, we'll be bringing them straight to you.